maybe a little more with that too.
What I like about the fat.
I used to like not getting people whenever you were talking, you were getting embarrassed. I thought you were just blushing.
Okay, so what if there's these two astronauts and they go into space?
Okay, so I mean, like, yeah, everyone does like the s'mores, but it turns out that it's like an allegory for Israel and Palestine.
So these two sorority girls get lost in Mexico
And they land on the moon, and it turns out the moon's made out of cheese, and so they eat it.
Yes!
I just think Swiss cheese is more realistic.
I feel like that's overdone though.
We will just like see this really gross person on the street and like trip over him.
Yeah. And churros.
I was thinking of a sketch where we would have like this jazz monster and they would come up from like your bathtub.
The joke is more like that we're like, we really didn't want to fall, but we fell.
I was thinking, like, you know, flossing.
Okay, so what did one fat girl say to the other fat girl?
What did she say? What did she say?
It doesn't matter, they're both fat.
Just the floss thing, right?
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
No, churros.
That's so boring.
Churros. And then the
Flossing?
And yes, the floss.
thinking about it.
Can we rent fat suits?
Yes!
No, we
We're fat
don't need to
people.
do that. I'm confused.
Oh, is it gravity?
Look at the Israel. Have a seat.
You bastard.